the one and only Mr. Chris, the Idea Guy, the guy who was just recently featured on Business Rockstars, the one television show that's going to be shown to 1 million people. Chris, come on out with this week's split test tip of the week.
This week, what we're going to be talking about is split testing with your ads. And it's in the ad creation. So it actually, I didn't know what Amy was doing, but it goes perfectly along what Amy was talking about tonight. So if I'm just reading all the chat. This is really fun. Chris, the TGL Yoda. That's so good. Okay, so in this tip, I'm going to reveal to you a new app that I absolutely love, and a massive shout out to Hope Rocco, because I found this app through Hope Rocco. Earlier, once upon a time, I showed you guys and talked about how to make a square video. Why was that important? Because you can see roughly 30 to 35% more of the video, because most people are on mobile. About 80% or more people are viewing your ads on mobile. And when it's square, it'll take up more of their screen. They will see more of you, and you will demand more of their attention. The more of their people's attentions you have, the higher conversion you will get. But tonight, there's a new addition. There's a new app that not only makes your videos square, but it does it with less clicks, and you can add and split test different headlines. So I'm going to share my phone, and we're going to walk through it together. All right, so this is Vont. In the upper right-hand corner, this is the video, the square video application. It's a free app. You can get the pro version and like do other stuff, but what I'm going to show you is everything you need completely free. So this is the inside of the app. On the bottom, you can see the camera. We'll go ahead and select that. And then we'll select Load New Video. And tonight, we'll be selecting a quick 4-second video. You want to select Crop to Square. And this will pop up. Now, check this out. On the bottom left-hand corner, see that black rectangle? When you first open this, more than likely, it's going to be white, and it's going to look like this. And you're like, how do I make it black? Well, in the bottom left-hand corner, where it'll be a white rectangle, you'll click that, and you can actually select any color. You could go red if you want, and it's red in the background. I'm just going to be doing black for today, and I'll hit done, and it goes like this. Now, check this out. If you take 2 fingers, you can actually zoom in and zoom out. Look, a lot of face, little face, lot of face. Okay, so then you can also move it around anywhere on the square that you want. So when it's set up like this, on the bottom, you'll also see the arrows. You can push the up and down arrow, and it'll zoom in to make it a square. You can push the left and right arrows, and it will bring it to fit within the square. On the far right-hand corner, I'm going to keep going fast so you guys can just watch this video again if you want to remember how to use all this. But in the bottom right-hand corner, there's the square. And if you click that, look at this. You can actually scroll for different layouts. And if let's see, I'll select this one. It'll just move it right there for me. Okay? So you can play with that. Today, I'm just going to be moving it. Well, here. Where's this one, the very top one, okay? It'll put it in the middle. Here's why this one is good. This is actually really important, all right? On the top, you can build the different headlines or catchy ad copy that will grab someone's attention. On the bottom, you can include, say, your brand or logo or, other little phrase. Or you could leave it blank. And why would you want to leave it blank? Because when you transcribe your video, the text will be overlaying your video in that section. So it'll make, you'll have a consistent background. It'll make seeing the words in the text, like the transcription, really, really easy to see. So that's an option, okay? When we're done playing around with the right format, and we have black in the background, we'll hit done in the upper right-hand corner. This is where the magic happens, all right? Check this out. It's this easy. You just click on the picture, see a little add text pop up, you hit add text, and then you could say something like, in the background of the picture, it's the largest hair clippers in the world.
I can validate it was actually the largest hair clippers that actually work in the world, yes.
So I'll put, just some headline in there. Now check this out. In the like middle of the screen, you'll see symbol. You can actually select a symbol. We'll throw some love on there with the heart. Look at alignment. You can go center, justify right. We're just going to go center for now. And on the bottom, we'll hit close to close out all the symbols. You can actually put together presets as well. So you can see I have some presets saved in there. So if you're pumping out a lot of videos and you need like a certain like design that you want, you can just easily access those. And then font, look at all these font options, okay? Like you can choose all these crazy fonts. So you can pick whatever one you want. Now, once you're done, you'll hit done. Pretty straightforward. Now check this out. You can move this anywhere on the video that you would like, but it's not quite lining up perfectly, right? So if we just click this, you just tap it, and then you see the options. Okay, you'd hit size, and then you just like this. Look at that. Oh, it's just kind of, it's that easy. You just go back and forth. But all right, so when that's done, I just click off there. We can align it to be centered and fit where we want. I'd recommend using less words and bigger, so you can have your font or your size be bigger, grab people's attention. Okay, and I'm not going to go through all these because it'll take too long. But you can tilt the text, right? Left to right, right to left. You can adjust, you can edit the text, you can adjust the font. We're gonna dive in, move, you can either just click that and then move it around, or these arrows pop up, so you can do really subtle movements by tapping those. You can subtly see it moving, which is cool. And then look at this, don't miss this. If you swipe on all these buttons right to left, boom, you get another option. Just when you thought the fun was done, it's not, because you can, look at that, you can curve around stuff. Oh, it's a smiley face. That's how happy this feature is. All right, so that's just something else cool that you can play with. If you have like a certain picture and you want it to bend around the object of the video, you can be creative that way, okay? So that's cool. And then I want to jump into style, all right? Look at this. There's three options: text, stroke, and background, okay? Text, you can change the color of, okay? Like that. You just move these sliders here. They change colors. You can make it transparent, right? Which is pretty cool. Look at this. I just saw this actually earlier today. Create color pattern. If you want multiple colors, mind blown. If this doesn't grab your attention, I don't know what will. But look, if you hit empty, there's like, okay, where to go? Don't fit. Okay. Oh, okay. Look at all the colors, like the white, the gray, black, and the red, and then see those 3 bars. Click that little ditty, and you can have saved ones. So like I picked a green one earlier, and then there's like a oh, that's where it is. Okay. If you see the orange and the pink and the green to the left, there's the 3 bars there. You click those. Look at all these other patterns you can select. So if you select like the blue, it'll just pop all those right in there for you. Okay. So we'll just leave the blue one on there for now, just for fun. And on the top, on the upper right-hand corner, when you're done, just go ahead and hit apply. And the next one is stroke. What does that mean? I don't understand why they made it stroke, but it's essentially your border, okay? Look at that changing color on the border. You can change the width as well, and then also the transparent, here, let's make the border really thick, the transparency of the border. So you can do a lot of things with this. And then the background you can change, but in here we don't need to because we already have the black background. And in the upper, oh no, wait. In the very top, look at this. We just did all the color. Look at style, okay? You can get into shadow. You can do spacing, make it like the words far apart. You can do line spacing like that. Underline, I don't even know what that is. You can click it. And when you're done with doing all these cool features, click done. And now you have like this colored font. Because I use so many words, I would go back and adjust this personally, because look at that. That's not really interesting. But you can make it interesting with all these really fun options, okay? So I'm gonna make this, I'm just gonna adjust the size for now, and then I'm just gonna move it right here. And then if I wanted to add more text on the bottom, I would just click, I'd hit add text, and I'm gonna say big words, because we'll only do 2 this time. And let's just throw another symbol in there. We'll do a star. We'll align it center, hit close, and hit done. And then size, let's make this big. Okay, there we go. See, it's much bigger, easier to see. And this, so now we have, you can put words there, or you can leave it blank for the transcription that you can set up in Facebook. Now, this is the last thing I'm going to show you, okay? You can make the words flash or turn on and turn off. So if you click on the very bottom, see where it's bottom left where it says number 2? And some of you are laughing, haha, he said number 2. Okay, click number 2. And then you can see that's where the text is saved. Hit X just so you see that. And if you click, let's see, okay, where'd it go? Settings, don't fail me now. Oh, I have to click the text. That's right. Okay, so you click, just push the text that you want to adjust. And notice in the very bottom right-hand corner, see the timestamp there? You can select by seconds or even 1/10 of a second. Are you kidding me? 10ths of seconds? You can get as exact as you want. Vont is incredible. So we're going to go 2 seconds and 4/10, and then it's going to end 3 seconds into this little, okay, I'm going the wrong way. How fun is it watching me scroll through numbers? And that's when it's going to end, all right? So now that we're done with that, we'll just click off of it, and we're going to go to the beginning and play, okay? Watch this. It starts with big words on the bottom. Boom, see the top flash? And then it flashes off. You can adjust that for any text that you put on there, okay? So you can play with that, have fun. On the very bottom right-hand corner, you'll see the box with the arrow. You click that. Your 780 by 780, that's the resolution you want. The 1080 by 1080, it'll look pretty much the same on mobile, and you have to get the Pro version if you want that. So 780 by 780 works. You hit export, and you, okay, export. There you go. And then you just hit save video, and then it exports for you. Since it's a short video, it's already done. And then you get to play with the buffaloes. So that is your tip for this week, but I don't want you to miss this, okay? It's a cool app. There's a lot of fun things to do with it. I do not want you to miss the importance of this app for your business. What's important, number 1, it's a square video. It takes up more space and grabs more attention. Number 2, the headline that you're using, that's like if you look at Ezra Firestone and some of these other marketers, they're using square videos a ton and getting a lot more engagement. It's a perfect place to use a few words, a short phrase to really let people know what they're going to see in your video. And you can leave the bottom open for that transcription. So while they're at work, not working, I was shocked when I heard that too, by the way, Amy. I was like, I was mad. I was like, I don't even want to market to you. But I still do, because that's when they're watching. You can have that transcription on the bottom so they can read your video while at work or wherever. And that is the importance of using that app for your business. Thank you so much, Obracco, for telling me about that so we could share it with everyone. The end.
Woo! Guys, that was hot fire.